Imagine a world where technology, the very thing meant to propel us into the future, threatens to leave us with no future at all. A world where our quest for innovation leaves our environment gasping for fresh air. A place where the very tools meant to enhance our lives are the ones endangering the earth we call home. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Our story today revolves around a company that's been in the spotlight for the wrong reasons, not once, but multiple times. The tech giant XYZ Corporation, a company that has been a beacon of innovation, but at what cost? A few years back, XYZ Corporation was caught in a scandal involving the disposal of electronic waste. They were found guilty of dumping millions of tons of e-waste in developing countries. This was not just a blatant disregard for international waste management laws, but a move that caused significant harm to the environment and the people living in those regions. The toxic materials from the electronic waste seeped into the soil, contaminating the groundwater and causing a health crisis for the local population. The damage was not just on the surface, but went deep into the ecosystem, disrupting the balance of nature. But the story doesn't end there. Fast forward to today, XYZ Corporation has once again come under scrutiny for their extensive use of non-renewable energy sources in their data centers. These factories of the future consume massive amounts of power, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and global warming. The irony isn't lost on us. A company that prides itself on shaping the future, yet seems to be stuck in the past when it comes to its environmental responsibilities. But every cloud has a silver lining. The missteps of XYZ Corporation serve as a wake-up call to us all. They remind us that technology and innovation should not come at the expense of our planet. So the question we need to ask ourselves is, are we willing to compromise our future for the sake of convenience and advancement? Are we ready to inherit a world that's on the brink of environmental collapse? Or do we choose to act now, to be more mindful of our technology use, to demand more from the companies we support, to hold them accountable for their actions? Because in the end, it's not just about us, but about the generations to come. The power to shape the future is in our hands, and it starts with a simple step, being mindful of the technology we use and the impact it has on our environment. So, as we switch off our screens tonight, let's make a choice to be more conscious, more responsible, and more proactive. Because the future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. And remember, every choice counts, every action matters. Because the future is not something that just happens, it's something we create. So let's create a future that's worth inheriting.